Yo, I done lost you. Wine poco, go down poco. Oh no no.
Hey guys, it's Preshi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review on this hair that I'm putting on right now. This awesome looking gorgeous hair that I'm putting on right now. So guys, my hair is from AliExpress from AliExpress, and this is the Brazilian straight hair. I got this hair in 3 bundles of 10 inches and a lace closure. This hair also came with a pair of lashes and also this booklet, or more like a pamphlet, which basically just states how to take care of the hair, like necessary things of how to take care of the hair, wash it, and all that good stuff. So it's time to talk about this hair. This hair is soft. It's really soft. It's really soft. Like, I really like it. This hair doesn't tangle and it's true to length. So this is where it stops in front. This is where it stops in front. And at my back, this is where it stops. Wait. About shedding, at first when I finished making this wig, it was actually shedding, and I think it's because when I was making the wig, I had to cut the weft so that it would fit at this part of the hair without being bumpy. So I think that's why it was shedding. But right now this hair is fine. There's no problem at all. But whenever I should brush my hair I have to see 1 or 2 strands away. This hair is thick, it's full, it has volume. This hair is thick. It's thick, it has volume, it's full. This hair is actually thick, and for 3 bundles and lace closure, I didn't even finish putting the whole bundles. See, this is what remained. I just couldn't find any space to fit it in, so that was it. This is my first time buying hair on AliExpress, and so I'm giving my review based on this hair that I'm putting on right now, and maybe in 2-3 months I'm going to do another review about the hair. So if you've purchased any hair from AliExpress before, either it's body wave, natural wave, deep wave, curly hair, share your experience in the comment section below so others can use it to make choices when they want to buy from this vendor. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video, and if you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell button next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.